What's up?
There's Mikey and the guy.
He's mesmerized.
He's like, he has a beard and he's snoring.
All the security conscious.
Possible target.
That's what I'm saying is that it's hard. You shouldn't beat yourself up.
Can't help it. It's one of the things I'm good at.
Are you okay?
Maybe he's gonna go to sleep. You're making him go to
He's
sleep.
comatose.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
He's awake.
Your name is Kurt Donnerson, small-time attorney with questionable background.
Kurt Donnerson.
What if he doesn't take the bait?
That's hilarious.
What's going on, Mikey?
He's like, it's like he's got a.
There's a
Oh,
smile.
there he goes.
There's a smile.
Oh.